Good morning, fairies.
Good morning, Queen Kate. What's going on here?
We're going to play Pick What's Missing!
Yes, it's a quiz. I love quizzes. What do you have to do, Queen Kate? How do you win? Is there a prize? Ooh, what if it's a pet monkey? Monkeys are so cute. Bananas!
Ruby, focus. The quiz?
All right. How do we play, Queen Kate?
Behind the screens are our good friends Snoozle and Springslide. Now they will be acting out an activity from the human world, but something will be missing, and it's your job to guess what. That's it, Joy. Press the button to see your options and pick what's missing. This will test your knowledge on the human world and the items that belong there. Are you ready to play?
Ready as we'll ever be.
Let's see puzzle number 1. That's it, fairies. Press the button to see your choices.
Well, it looks like Snoozle's eating breakfast. He's eating a bowl of, what do you call it?
Cereal. He's eating cereal.
That's it, Ruby. And I don't think you eat cereal with a side of slime.
Although you could try eating it with a rubber chicken, though. Maybe not.
So it must be the spoon. Hit it, Ruby.
Well done, fairies. Now on to puzzle number 2. That's it, fairies. Press the button to hear your options.
It doesn't look like he's missing a sheep.
Although he does look a bit like Little Bo Peep.
So it can't be a sheep.
And that tropical music. Would Spring Slug really go to the beach in a raincoat with an umbrella? That means it must be rain and thunder and lightning.
I do hate the rain.
Well done, fairies. You're doing so well. Now, do you think you're up for one last challenge?
Of course, Queen Kate.
Here is a picture of a fairy friend, but something is missing. Any guesses? And you both will make wonderful fairy friends indeed. I must say, you two have solved some very tricky puzzles today, and you know lots about humans. And for that you have earned the Problem Solver Badge. Oh, go on, Ruby. Oh!
Now they're doing fart jokes. Ghastly. That wasn't me. That was my shoes.
Spring Slag, you don't wear shoes.
Oh, hi kids. Come in, I want to show you something. Ow. Oh, maybe that's a bit close, but that's better. Now, have you ever wondered what goes on around here after fairy school is finished? Yeah, well, fairy school is round the clock, F-U-N, fun! Here, let me show you what I mean. Excuse you, Queen Kate! Right, what's next?
Spring Slug!
Yes, Queen Kate?
Would you like to hear a joke, Spring Slug?
Not particularly.
Oh, go on.
Fine, go ahead.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
A little old lady.
A little old lady who?
Spring Slug, I didn't know you could yodel. A little old lady.
Yes.
Oh, what a beautiful flower that is, Snoozle.
Well, if you like the look of it, Queen Kate, give it a whiff. See how it smells.
Really, Snoozle? Well, don't mind if I do.
Queen Kate, do you like jokes?
Of course I do, Snoozle. Jokes make me laugh, and I love to laugh.
Would you like to hear a joke about pizza?
Oh, yes.
Well, I can't. It's too cheesy. How's this thing on? Okay, I've got another one. What did the snowman say to the other snowman?
I don't know. What did the snowman say to the other snowman?
Do you smell carrots?
Oh, because it's too cheesy. Snoozle, Snoozle. Oh, look at poor Snoozle. He must have fallen asleep right after yesterday's class.
What? Oh, Queen Kate. I fell asleep. Could you please help me up?
Oh, of course, Snoozle. Snoozle, you are so naughty. Whoopsie.
Don't worry, Queen Kate. I'll get it for you.
Oh, thank you, Snoozle.
No problem.
Oh. Snoozle.
See? Wasn't that fun? Now I do know how to have fun. Speaking of which, oh, Spring Slug,
What is it now, Snoozle?
I've got a joke for you.
No! No more jokes! I can't take it anymore! It's constant with these people! Constant jokes! Spring Slug, laugh at this! Spring Slug, isn't this funny?
See? Wasn't that fun?
Being lost can be very scary for your human children. That's why we always have a buddy when we're out and about. If you do get lost, you must make sure to stay calm and stay where you are so you can be found.
Hello? What is happening? This is so scary. Hello? Hello? Why isn't anyone answering me? Okay, Joy. Try to stay calm and find your backpack. No. Ugh, what is that? Ew, gross. It's got to be in here somewhere. Okay. That's better. Now, where is everyone? I mean, they wouldn't just leave me here, would they? They've got to be here somewhere. Come on out, everyone. This isn't funny anymore. Too scary at night. I've got to get out of here.
Who goes there? Oh, Joy, is that you? You're lucky I didn't go all Snoozle Phil on you. Wait, why are you tied up in my pants?
I fell asleep and then the next thing I knew, everyone was gone. I thought I would be left behind and I'd be alone forever.
Oh, forever seems like an awfully long time, Joy.
It is, Snoozle, a very, very long time. Come with me, dear Snoozle, as we journey into the future. It is sad, it is lonely, and I look like a grandma.
Here I am, 100 years old, and still left behind by all my friends for all this time. With only booze, hidden granola bars to eat for my whole life.
I bet Boo does have food hidden all over the school. But, I'm sure they didn't leave you behind on purpose, Joy. Sometimes accidents happen, and we get separated from our family or friends.
Yeah, Queen Kate was just talking about that today in her lesson. She said it also happens with human believers too. She said it was always best to have a buddy when we go out.
Well, Buddy Snoozle at your service. And, what else would a fairy friend tell a human believer to do if they got lost somewhere?
Well, they would tell them to stay calm and stay where they got separated from their family.
Looks to me, Joy, like you've done both those things. You're going to be an amazing fairy friend.
Wow, you're right, Snoozle. I followed all the steps.
So, now that you're done with your fairy friend duties, shall we have fun? Slumber party! Yay!
3, 2, 1. Here I come. Ready or not, Snoozle?
You got me! But now I'm over here!
What's going on out here? This is absurd.
Will we be out by morning? Hope is just around the corner. Huh.
She must be in here. Wow, Boo's Fairy Finder worked. Here you are. Joy, we searched Fairy Valley high and low looking for you. We were so worried. Are you okay? I'm fine. Were you really looking for me all this time? Really? Me and Snoozle have been here for hours and hours. You really wouldn't leave me alone forever, would you? Of course we wouldn't leave you alone forever, Joy. But it hasn't been hours. More like 20 minutes.
Thank goodness you're all right, Joy. You know, I'm very impressed. You followed today's class to the letter. You stayed calm, stayed put at school, and you made the best out of a scary situation.
It was scary and I did panic. But thanks to Snoozle, we ended up having some fun.
And now, when you become a fairy friend, you'll know exactly how to help your human child know what to do if they ever get left behind. And that deserves the Lost and Found badge.
Well, I better keep this badge on all the time. I wouldn't want to leave it behind.
Ooh, that's a good one, Joy.
Well done, Joy!